Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for musical instruments business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So let's enter the website. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here. You can create your website here. Easy to edit website templates, no coding needed. Full commerce and marketing features to run your business online. Free trial, no credit card required. So let's see templates. So here you can make any templates yours with easy. So here you can choose the type of your business and the topic. So the musical instruments is not here, so here you can choose the type. I'm gonna go with online store, memberships, courses and services. You can choose whatever you want, scheduling or blog or portfolio. So you can choose any templates from here, or if you wanna build your own templates from here. So let's get started. Templates that's unique to you. So let's go from here. Here you can add your site name, type any name you want, and let's continue. Build your homepage here. So you can choose the intro section. Also you can choose the product section here. You can choose the services section and about section, and here the social section and the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. You can add page to your site. Here you can choose the color theme. You can choose the font, and let's finish this. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can continue if you want from here, or if you want to skip. I'm gonna skip this from here. So this is your homepage right now. You can edit the views from here. You can make it like a desktop view like this, or like a mobile view. I'm gonna keep it just a desktop view. So here the site size, you can edit the site size from here. You can edit the fonts and the colors, the animations, the spacing and the buttons, the image blocks, the fonts. You can edit the fonts here. You can switch the fonts back. You can edit the headings and the paragraphs and the buttons. You can reset the fonts back from here. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your themes. For example, I'm gonna go with this theme. So you can edit the site header. You can edit the site title and the navigation links. Color theme here, just click on it like this, and you can custom the color. Also the section background and the background overlay, the inset border and the section divider. Here you can edit the text, the heading and the paragraph, the text highlights and the background color. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next, to the animations. So here you can set the style. You can set none or fade or scale or slide or clip or flex, whatever you want to select it from here. You can edit the speed. You can make it medium or fast or slow. So that's it. Now let's move on to the spacing. So here you can edit the page width and the size margin, and also you can reset styles to defaults. So let's move on now to the buttons. So here you can edit the primary buttons. You can edit the text and the shape and outline. You can also apply to button types, to all button types, and you can reset button styles. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image blocks. here you can edit the text alignment and the content width. You can edit this the title separation and the button separation. Here you can edit the content position, the text alignment and the image width, the image separation, the title separation, the button, and that's it. Let's get back and let's move on. So here you can edit your home page here. So first here we have the site header. You can edit the site title and the logo. You can change the site title if you don't like it. You can add here your logo image. So you can add it from your library, and also the mobile logo image. So now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on, the button. You can change the text on the label. You can add a link here, and also you can turn this on, the social links. You can edit the social links. You can edit the social icon size and the border. You can turn this on, the language switch. You can also turn the cards on. You can change the icon style. Also you can change the card icon style. You can change the border, and also you can show 0 in cards. You can turn this off. So if you want to add something new, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here, whatever you want. So that's it. Here the text, you can edit the text. You can duplicate the section for the text from here. You can delete it. Also you can edit it from here. You can edit the text form, whatever you want here. So that's it. You can edit the label from here. You can edit the primary, and you can duplicate it or delete it. You can edit the text on it. Just click edit. You can also add the link here. So that's it. If you want to add the image or text, just click here. You can add the image or text or video, wherever you want to add the text or button or newsletter. So that's it. If you want to add duplicated section, just click here and it will be duplicated. You can save it from this heart icon. Just click on it. You can move it up or move it down. You can remove it from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So let's delete this image, and you can add an image from here, for example. So I'm gonna put it here like this. You can select from your library or from free image. So now musical instruments like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Just for example, you can choose wherever you want. So here you can make it bigger, make it larger or smaller, whatever you want. So that's it. You can put it at any place you want. So that's just for example. Here you can edit the text here and the button. You can edit the accordion here. You can edit the contents, and you can add item from here. Here you can design. You can edit the title and the description. You can also turn this on, expand first item. You can allow multiple open items. You can turn this on, dividers. You can also edit the icon. So that's it. Here you can turn this on, the background. So that's it. You can add an image on any section you want. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your homepage website for a musical instruments business on Squarespace, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.